Mai oameni buni, numai în filme mai vezi așa ceva. Casă adusă, priponită în pod.
Flash floods killed a man and evacuated hundreds of people from various areas of Suceava County on Sunday evening. Rescue teams remain on the ground assisting flood-affected residents. Many rescue calls were recorded as a result of the hazardous weather phenomenon. Firefighters were heavily mobilized. Even those on leave continued to work. The deceased man was from the town of Broșteni, and firefighters in the area recovered his body on Monday morning. From yesterday afternoon until today, there were more than 250 calls to the emergency number 112, with more than half of them originating from the town of Broșteni. There was also an intervention in Austria, where 8 people, including 2 children, remained isolated in a house but were safely evacuated by firefighters.
Vedeți apa?
The overflowing waters in the mountainous region also destroyed 2 bridges in the Frosin and Dorotea regions, and National Highway 177A was flooded for a time, disrupting traffic.
Aia de acolo trebuie mutată, vedeți pe aia.
Heavy rains also caused flooding in several homes and yards, and alluvial soil and fallen trees caused problems in several locations in Suceava County. "45 people are currently evacuated from the town of Broșteni, Suceava County, after their homes were flooded following heavy rains last night. 10 of them are in the attic of a guest house. The regent of Suceava, Traian Andronaci, told our radio station that helicopters sent by the Ministry of Interior are being used. Genoa's low-pressure zone brought heavy rain to many parts of the country. From midnight to 7 a.m. on Monday, firefighters carried out 317 operations, removing fallen tree branches and pumping water from flooded streets, basements, and properties. According to Wojciech Gralek of the State Fire Service, firefighters carried out 796 interventions in the past 24 hours due to the difficult weather conditions. The majority of these interventions took place in the voivodeships of Silesia, Lesser Poland, Opole, and Podkarpacy. From midnight to 7 a.m. on Monday, there were 317 such incidents. Most of the floods occurred in the provinces of Silesia, Opole, Świętokrzyski, and Podkarpacy, Wojciech Gralek told TVN 24.
Także cały czas strumyczek płynie zwolna.
In addition, due to unfavorable weather conditions, we carried out an early evacuation of 37 scout camps to ensure the safety of children and teenagers during their recreation, he added. Janina Zagan, mayor of Szczecin, declared a flood warning on Monday for towns in Szczecin County.
Fajnie w tym mieście, tak. Nie
The
za
warning was issued due to unfavorable hydrological and meteorological conditions, as well as the continued rise in water levels in local rivers. Rainfall accompanied by low pressure has affected many areas of the country. In Pionki, Mazovia, roads were flooded after heavy rain. Several vehicles were forced to stop due to the heavy rain. Similar conditions occurred in Ragowo in Warmian Mazurian Voivodeship and Kielce in Świętokrzyski Voivodeship, as seen in a photo published on social media. Along Planty Street in Kielce, firefighters deployed floodwaters as a precaution as the Silnica River overflowed into one of the nearby meadows. According to local media, the Gdrojk roundabout, among other areas, was flooded, nearly submerging cars. A major storm hit Aleksandrovac Zupski today. Along with heavy rain, strong winds blew, making it impossible to see your fingers. In Aleksandrovac Zupski, hailstones the size of tennis balls fell. A storm accompanied by hail struck the village of Kljuk near Myonica. The village of Brzovica near Ub was hit by a severe storm, accompanied by hail and strong winds that knocked trees to the ground. In Karlobag, the winds were so strong that they caused property damage, while heavy rain flooded the lower town area. The coast was flooded with fast-moving waters, which also made it dangerous for vehicles on the road. Fortunately, there have been no reports of casualties so far. Although the worst is over, residents of Karlobag and surrounding communities remain vigilant for future weather developments.